Dale.
Hello there.
Dale is an IPC with Mirinda, and he loves Noni.
Basically like the son I never had.
In fact, Dale loves Noni so much that he orders not just 1 case a month, but 2.
Which is one more than one.
Now, did you know that Dale gets 20% back on that second case of Noni? That's right, 20%.
Yes!
See, Dale is taking advantage of Mirinda's personal rebate program. Anytime an IPC on a 120 auto ship program purchases more than 120 QPV worth of product, they receive 20% back.
Very effective. 20%. Very easy.
It's that easy. Unlike other rebates out there, you don't have to fill out any confusing paperwork or wait for months to receive your rebate.
Phew.
Just enroll on 120 auto ship,
Okay.
purchase more than 120 QV in a month,
Got it.
and enjoy your products.
Will do.
You'll get your rebate money the following month. Let's look at a quick example. Let's say that this month, Dale, who is an IPC, purchased 4 bottles of Tahitian Noni Original, which fulfilled his auto ship requirement of 120 QV. A few weeks later, he purchased 2 bottles of Max and 1 bottle of Extra, which gives him 100 QV and CV over his auto ship requirement. Now, in order to determine how much personal rebate Dale will receive this month, all we need to do is figure out how much additional product he ordered. This month it was 100 QV and CV worth of product. Now, we just calculate 20% of the 100 CV, and there it is. Dale would get about €20 or 20 pounds in personal rebate this month, all for ordering 100 additional CV.
All right.
It's just that easy and rewarding to do business with Mirinda. So, if you want to be like Dale
And let's be honest, who doesn't?
and spend less money on product each month, just make sure you're an IPC, enrolled on 120 auto ship, and you will enjoy a 20% rebate on every additional product you buy each and every month.
Woohoo!